show your face tonight, or what are you doing?
Yeah, it's after 10. Yeah, I feel it
You're
too.
making our guests feel like she's not here.
It's
Let's show her something so she feels comfortable.
it's coming from over here, the cold. It's right on me. It's right on me.
Telling me to go away.
Yeah, go away. It says, I fucking live here. Where would you want me to go?
You want me to come out and make her go away?
Go away.
No, there's Drew. So he's over there. So what was making the noise over here? Yeah, there he is. It's freaking chilly right on top of my shoulders. That's Drew over there. Oh, okay.
Now I got you paranoid about the turtle.
It was walking right up towards me.
It's a crocodile man.
It better not be that fucking turtle.
It's the croc man.
Well, that thing will be turtle soup.
Ugh, I never had that. Never will. What'd you do? Step on my thing? Did you find anything?
Quiet.
Well, you're up there. We're hearing noise over here.
It's quiet.
We thought it was you. You were calling her name.
No answer.
From over there?
We heard something crash out over here.
Oh, people over there.
And then you were answering us. I'm like, he's probably fucking with us or something. I don't know. That wasn't you. Something's walking over there now, where you were. Are you following Drew through the woods? You plan on attacking him?
I don't think he's able to do that.
I'll give it a shot since he's so cocky. What tree are you in?
Butcher.
Butcher's down the road. That ain't here.
Maybe he wants to butcher one of us.
No, the butcher is down the road.
Thanks a lot.
Whatever. Yeah, it's opportunity.
Try inside. Inside. Just try walking him back to here when you hear that fucking crash. Can you turn some lights on?
Yeah, it's actually quiet. I just want to blame somebody, but I can't think of their name.
Schmether.
Heather.
Yeah, it rhymes with
That would be me.
Heather.
Figure.
Yeah, I would figure that too. Unfortunate.
Oh, they're right here. Yay. I don't have to walk far. Can you turn on some lights for us? Some of the puck lights that you were earlier?
Can you turn on some of the toys that you shut off?
Can y'all stop being so lame tonight? God.
I know this is probably the worst night.
For God's sakes.
The bugs are more going.
Ugh. Any other time we're here, everyone wants to play games. Tonight you're like, nah, we're just gonna take a break.
Yeah, we just want to watch the fireworks. And...
Right?
Fucking horseshit. I seen you back there though.
This is behind you, Daddy.
I know you're up there between those trees.
Mm-hmm. You seen that too, Deb?
Mm-hmm.
What are you seeing?
Oh, I just seen it flicker.
Why are you all the way back there?
That's his hangout up there.
Mm-hmm.
He likes that shit up there.
Oh, turn the light on. Where's
I
the
mean,
red
you can
light
come
go?
closer. I know we sound really mean, but we actually are.
That was
Not.
actually nice.
Mm.
That was nice too.
You were nice to him?
Lights.
Well, you got crystals in your pockets. Nobody's coming near you.
Not even to talk to me.
And plus, you're doing that too. So,
There's some other stuff over there too. So that's probably.
did you stick them in the ground?
No, I didn't.
Mm.
I just lit this one.
Be careful, there's that thing down there.
It is gone. I don't know how I just did that. I just fucking like this thing. Thought I did it.
I only have turquoise in my pocket. That's all.
I was waiting for them to turn into a prince.
Disappeared. I think it's that.
Wow.
Drain camera. Drain camera. Which camera?
The one that I turned on and it already went off. That one.
Really? What are you draining things for? Because you're not using it to fucking do anything.
The bugs are more happy.
Isn't it weird?
Yeah.
Oh, didn't even fuck with this whole time.
Alright, I'll turn this light off and maybe you can do something for us.
I don't think it likes lights. As far as I know, they run from light.
That's the whole idea.
Why do we want it to run? Don't we want it to show up?
Well, it's not going to.
It would.
Being a nana. Na 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 na. It's not even lighting off the K2s. I think it's just this area.
Spirit.
Here we go again.
Okay. Oh.
Where?
That's where it came from last time. I had a feeling jump safe and took out that fucking tree. Did not for safe.
My name is Harry.
Oh, well, it's not blazing bullets time, I guess.
Harry and the Hendersons.
Who's saying it's in for that? Where's the Native Americans at?
Oh, look, it looks like a face looking at me up there. Through the branches. Are you up in that tree?
They run from light. It says, oh, that puck light's on behind you.
Because they're always near me. Who's near me? It's amazing. Heather's standing here too. Oh. Heather. So it shut that off. It shut that off. It shut that off. It shut that off.
Really?
Yep. You turned that one off. That's barely going.
I know he doesn't like
That's not moving. That hasn't even went off. That's just steady, not doing anything. That's shut off over there. So yeah, they just shut off everything. That's all I got is a flashlight.
it. It ran from the flashlight when we had, as soon as Nick turned his on, it just ran.
Turn your flashlight off, Deb.
You want me to turn everything off?
Yeah, sit in the dark. So you get
Secrets surrounding my death.
I think
Yeah,
that
we're trying to find them out.
all the time too. Just like all the time. Puck lights on behind you again.
I've been wanting them to shut the flashlight off in front of me.
Which one? That one?
That one. They won't shut it off. I gave up on that stuff on the cooler. Yeah. They love those lights. That's about it. There's something. They're trying to light the motion ball up over there.
Yeah.
In the grass over there. I just seen it flashing.
Just in the dark for a couple minutes. Where's that other light